Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to debug Python on VS Code step by step. This works the same way on Windows, Mac, and Linux, so you can follow along on any system. First, you'll need to set a breakpoint where you want the debugger to pause. Click in the left gutter next to your line numbers, you'll see a red circle appear. That's your breakpoint. You can also press F9 to set it on whichever line your cursor is on. Set it on the line where you want execution to stop. Next, start the debugger by pressing F5. You can also click the down arrow next to the Run button at the top right of the editor and select Python Debugger, Debug Python file. If this is your first time debugging this file, the command palette will open at the top center of the window. From that dropdown, select Python file. This tells VS Code to run the current file with your selected Python interpreter. Once you select it, the debugger will start and pause at your breakpoint. Now you'll see the pause state. There's a yellow arrow in the left margin showing which line you're on. The debug toolbar appears along the top with 6 buttons, and the variables pane opens in the left sidebar showing all your current variables. The status bar at the bottom also changes color, usually to orange, so you know you're in debug mode. Use the debug toolbar to navigate through your code. The buttons from left to right are Continue, Step Over, Step Into, Step Out, Restart, and Stop. Continue, that's F5 runs to the next breakpoint or until the program finishes. Step over, F10 executes the current line and moves to the next one without entering any functions. Step into F11 enters a function if the current line calls one, so you can follow it line by line. Step out, Shift F11 finishes the current function and returns to where it was called. While you're paused, you can inspect your variables in the variables pane on the left. It shows every variable currently in scope and their values. Hover over variables in the code itself to see their values too. You can also expand objects using the drop-down arrows to see what's inside them. When you're done debugging, press Shift F5 or click the red square stop button on the right end of the debug toolbar. The toolbar disappears, the status bar goes back to normal, and your program terminates. A couple of useful things to know. Breakpoints stay in your file until you remove them. So just click the red circle again or press F9 to clear one. The debug console at the bottom becomes a Python REPL while you're paused, so you can type expressions to test values in real time. And if VS Code creates a launch.json file in a .vs code folder, that's where your debug configurations get saved for next time. That's everything you need to do. Thanks for watching.